Want to chop like a pro chef? Today, we're breaking down 9 essential knife skills you need in the kitchen to slice, dice, and julienne like an expert. Stick around for game-changing tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering professional knife skills. From the right way to hold a knife to the essential cuts every cook should know. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the fundamentals of knife skills. Proper knife grip. Think of it like a handshake. This gives you control and power. Next, the claw method. Tuck those fingers in to protect your hands while cutting. And don't forget posture and position. Stand square to your cutting board with good balance. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Now, let's dive into the 9 essential knife cuts. Rough chop, quick and uneven, perfect for stocks and stews. Dice, even cubes for that precise professional presentation. Slice, thin, uniform cuts for tomatoes, onions, and meats. Julienne, or matchsticks. Thin, even strips perfect for stir-fries. Chiffonade, rolling leafy herbs into ribbons for garnishing. Bias cut, angled slices for better surface area and faster cooking. Oblique cut, or roll cut. Rotating cuts for even-sized pieces. Mince, extra fine chopping for garlic, herbs, and aromatics. And finally, batten, thick matchsticks, ideal for fries and vegetable sticks. Knife maintenance and safety tips are just as crucial. Always use a sharp knife. A dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp one. Hone your knife regularly to keep the edge aligned and performing well. And store knives properly. Use a magnetic strip or knife block to prevent dulling. Now, you know the 9 essential knife skills to cook like a pro. Which knife skill do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to sharpen your cooking skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for more expert techniques and kitchen hacks. Why?